I was kind of reluctant that they're gonna achieve any results. In the country, I was very impressed. This started about maybe 6-7 months ago, and since then I really like what I saw. I was very impressed. There's a lot of things negative was deleted from my credit report. I was able to purchase a car and take a loan, and of course I got a credit card, small amount, a secure credit card, because there was a lot of negative information on my credit. I wasn't able to get a loan, and it seems like things are improving. I'm happy. I'm happy for the services. They're very friendly at the office. They kept me in touch of everything that's going on, and I see the results myself. And it seems like by the time it's all finished and done, I'll be able to be back on track, on the right track, on the right path, just before all this happened. Hopefully, anybody who will have the same bad experience in the past with the credit issues, they'll be able to come here and experience the positive results that I had, and they'll be able to use you guys, and I recommend you guys anytime.